Hello, I've lost from barbecue. So it's Saturday, it's 6 a.m. and I wanted some pulled pork. So let's make some. One of the better cookers that I have to make pulled pork is the Mini WSM, which is a Smoky Joe with a tomato pot on it. I'll leave a link up in the corner to when I built that. And what I've done is I've just filled up the charcoal basket with briquettes. I've got some plum wood and some apple wood. Might add some more during the day. Just gonna light it in the middle and let it come up to temp slowly and not really in a rush. And then I'm gonna be using my barbecue to keep this at 275 through the day. Anyway, time to light this up. Okay, so it's been 3 hours. It's 9 o'clock, something like that, maybe a little bit more. But anyway, it's about 3 hours since I lit this, and it's been going steady at 250 the whole time. And this is what it looks like fuel consumption wise. So I think I'm actually not gonna be able to have to add anything today. Well, it's really efficient, this is. And then I think it's time to spritz this. There we go. So this is what it looks like 3 hours in. I'm just going to spritz it with 50-50 water and apple cider vinegar. It's got a nice color. I guess that spice mix I used had some paprika in it. Anyway, lid back on and I'll see you in a few hours. Okay, we're going to check this out now. This has been on since 6:30 this morning, and this is what it looks like. It's got a nice dark bark. I'm just gonna probe it to feel it. I probed it about half an hour ago, and this is actually like butter. The temperature gauge or the temperature probe says 201, and I think that's gonna be perfect. Well, I'm gonna take this off. I don't know if I mentioned that before, but I like cooking stuff like pork butts or shredded beef for the next day. So this is actually not going to be eaten today. It's going to be eaten tomorrow. Yeah, this is really done. It's so tender. It's fall apart tender. Let's see if I can get this up. See? It's jiggly. There we go. I'm gonna let this rest for about maybe half an hour. We're gonna take the dogs for a walk, and then I'm gonna pull it. So I'll meet you back in a bit. Okay, there we go. Half an hour later, time to pull this, and then this smells really nice. So let's see what we have. Okay, there we go. It took about 11 hours in total and then half an hour rest. So let's try this out. It's got quite a lot of bark. It smells really nice. That rub is, I guess it's a standard salt, pepper, garlic kind of rub with paprika in it. Nice and tender, quite juicy actually. Juicier than I thought when I pulled it. It's got a really nice taste to it. I like it when it's a little bit dry like that. It's really, really good. Well, we're gonna enjoy this tomorrow. We're gonna make some rolls and maybe I'll film that. But I don't know. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Bye.